Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your BMW iX at an Electrify America station. First, use your BMW's navigation or the Electrify America app to find a nearby station. Once you arrive, park your iX close enough to easily reach the charging port. Make sure your vehicle is turned off and ready to accept a charge. Next, choose an available charger and firmly insert the CCS connector into your BMW iX's charging port. You'll hear a click when it's properly seated. To initiate the session, use the Electrify America app on your phone or tap your credit card on the station's payment reader. The station's screen will confirm the charge has started. While your BMW iX is charging, you can monitor its progress directly on the Electrify America station screen. Alternatively, use the Electrify America app for real-time updates on charge level and estimated time remaining. Your BMW iX's instrument cluster will also show charging information. Always ensure the cable remains securely connected throughout the session. To end your charging session, simply stop it through the Electrify America app or by following the prompts on the station's screen. Once the session concludes, your BMW iX will release the charging cable. Carefully remove the connector from your vehicle and return it to its holster on the station. Close your iX's charging port cover.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.